Garage Door Repair, Salt Lake City. Do you need a garage door repair in Salt Lake City? Residents of Salt Lake City can have AAA Garage Door fix and install their garage doors. 20 years ago, AAA Garage Door began as a family business. Since then, we have made every effort to meet our customers' needs with our experienced repair and install team. AAA Garage Door's team is committed to giving you the best possible repairs. We even use top-notch tools to get the job done. Call us today for a free estimate and receive a free tune-up with your repair. Garage Door Repair, Salt Lake City.